Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Sensory motor. From birth to age 2, babies understand the world through their sensory and motor interactions with objects, through looking, touching, sucking, and grasping. Infants lack object permanence, the awareness that objects continue to exist when not perceived, out of sight, out of mind. The emergence of object permanence occurs simultaneously with the emergence of fear of strangers, called stranger anxiety. Pre-operational stage. Children are egocentric. They cannot perceive things from another's point of view. Children's conversation may reveal their egocentrism. The preschooler who blocks your view of the television while watching it herself, and the one who asks a question while you are on the phone, both assume that you see and hear what they see and hear. When relating to a young child, it may help to remember that such behaviors reflect a cognitive limitation. The egocentric preschooler has difficulty taking another's viewpoint. Parents who abuse their children generally have no understanding of these limits. They assume the child is willfully doing wrong. At this stage, children are unable to perform certain mental operations. For a 5-year-old, the quantity of milk is too much in a tall, narrow glass may become an acceptable amount if poured into a short, wide glass. This is because the child focuses only on the height dimension and is incapable of reversing the operation by mentally pouring the milk back. The child lacks the concept of conservation, the principle that the quantity of a substance remains the same despite changes in its shape. Concrete operational stage. The child begins to realize that a given quantity remains the same no matter how its shape changes. Example: Diane went into the restaurant and ordered a whole pizza for her dinner. When the waiter asked if he wanted it cut into 6 or 8 pieces, Diane said, "Oh, you'd better make it 6. I could never eat 8 pieces." At this stage, children should have developed mathematical transformations and conservation. If children construct their understanding and think about things in a radically different way than adults, what are then the implications for us parents? We should build on what children already know and allow them to witness concrete demonstrations and think for themselves. And because the child is incapable of adult logic, parents must understand how children think and therefore realize that what is simple and obvious to an adult may be incomprehensible to a 6-year-old. Formal operations stage. At this stage, adolescents become capable of thinking logically about abstract propositions. They can reason hypothetically and deduce consequences. Formal operations are the summit of intellectual development, as adolescents may already have enough command of formal operations to learn algebra. Systematic cognitive development stage. At this stage, a person has the ability to reason systematically, as a scientist in testing hypotheses and deducing conclusions. The ability for formal reasoning is developed. A person can reason out things beyond what has been presented and accepted. Meta-systematic cognitive development stage. This is the peak of cognitive development for a person, wherein he can build models based on concepts and principles and comparing them with the already accepted models. Please like, share, and subscribe.